Hello all. Today we will try to visualize vector space and subspaces by taking an example. Okay. So example is here. Given that x1 is equal to 0, 1, 3, x2 is equal to 2, 4, 0. See, you can see here there are three components, right, in this column vector. These are the two column vectors x1 and x2. Okay. In this there are three components. Three components means it is a three-dimensional space. Correct? So we will be having a graph something like this, xyz plane, right? Now, so vector x2, column vector x2 is equal to 2, 4, 0. Okay. Find v1 is equal to subspace generated by x1, and this vector space is given by three components, and this is the vector space having three components. Okay. So find, the first question is find v1 is equal to subspace generated by the x1. See here, what is trying to ask? v1, it is the vector v1 generated by only x1. So he is asking about individual vectors. Okay, v2 is equal to subspace generated by x2. This is the individual, and also find out the v1 intersection v2. Okay, v1 intersection v2. So this is the first question. Second question is find v3 subspace generated by x1 x2. See, here in first question we will be trying to find out the individual vectors, and here the vector space created due to both the column vectors here. Okay, and one more sub question we have is v3 equal to v1 union v2. Find a subspace S of v3 such that x1 not belong to S and x2 doesn't belong to S. Okay, we will go one by one. And third one is the last question, what is v3 intersection xy plane? See, he is asking v3, which we will be finding out in second question, and the intersection with the xy plane. Okay. Okay, we will try to draw the vectors first for the given column vector x1 and x2, the very first point. Okay, so what are these vectors? This is x1. Okay, which is this point? This is 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3 means 0 means for x component it is 0, y component it is 1, and for z component it is 3. Meaning it is lying in a yz plane. So x is not included in this. Just for your understanding, you can graphically draw it directly by making a point 0, 1 and 3. Not at all issue. I am just giving you a idea. Remember that 0, 1, 3 means that x value will be not present in that, means it is in a yz plane. Okay, see, you can see here it is in this yz plane x1. Okay, see, this is in yz plane, this is x1, 0, 1, 3. Similarly for second vector, it is x2 is equal to 2, 4, 0, means z component is 0, means it will not consist of z value. So it is in a, see here, it is in xy plane. This is the second vector. Okay, I'll remove this, wait. Okay, you got it. So we have found out the vectors now. So now what he is asking is find the v1 such that it is the subspace generated by the x1. In previous class I told you, if there is a vector, a line containing this vector will be a, the line containing this vector will be a subspace. So that is v1. I told you, if anything addition is done or any multiplication is done, and it should have the origin. These are the three conditions. So it consists of origin. Any scalar multiplied with x1 will fall here only. If you multiply x1 by 2, what it will do? Just a minute. See. Sorry, it's not working. So this vector gets extended, that's it. Okay, fine, let it be. So if you multiply with the scalar, it will fall on the same line, v1, the v1 subspace. And if you multiply with the 0, it will stay in the origin, which consists, this line consists of this origin also. So v1 is the subspace generated by the first column vector x1, correct? So this is the subspace. So similarly for second, it's a line containing second vector. That's it. This is the subspace. The complete line which will cover the negative values also. Okay. So this is the subspace of V2. Though we are done with the first question. So V1 is equal to subspace generated by X1, V2 subspace generated by X2. Describe V1 intersection V2. So where these two lines are meeting, it is the only one meeting point. So intersection point is only one. So that will be the origin. So that is the 0. See, V1 intersection is origin. And this is also a subspace. Fine, not a problem. So first question is done. Coming to third question. Find V3 subspace generated by X1 and X2. Remember, in the first question we have the subspace V1 and V2, okay, and those are the line subspace, and that are created individually by the X1 and X2, okay, separately. So these are the line subspaces. V1 and V2 are line subspaces. And now what he is asking is V3 is equal to subspace generated by the X1 and X2. Okay, what is V3? Subspace generated by the X1 and X2. Subspace means X1 X. When only X1 we considered, we try to take a complete line which will consist of X1. So similarly, if we consider two vectors, so what does that mean? It is the plane consisting of X1 and X2. That's it. So V3 is the subspace generated due to X1 and X2, and see, this is the plane. Okay, this is the plane which will consist of these two vectors. Okay, these two vectors. It's a three-dimensional. You try to imagine it will be something cross way, and where only these two vectors will be lying on that plane. Okay, so this is the V3. So he asked us about subspace. We have drawn subspace for V1, that is line subspace, and for V2 again line subspace, and V3 it is the combination of both V1 and V2 which are lying on the same plane. So V3 is a plane subspace. Remember, it is a plane subspace. Okay, we are done with the second question also. No, there are sub questions. So next question is V3 equal to V1 union V2? See, individually V1 is this X1 and X2, correct? And what is V1 union V2? It is nothing but this value. V1, V2 is, by using the law of parallelogram, we will try to find out this vector which will give the union of X1 and X2. Okay, so this is nothing but as V1 union V2. In terms of vector, if you want to say, you can say that it's V4. You can say V4 is equal to V1 union V2 or X1 plus X2. Okay, and if you want to define a subspace, then it is a line containing this vector covering the negative values also. Okay, this is the okay. So is V3 equal to V1 U2? So when you try to add X1 plus X2, okay, when you try to add X1 plus X2, it is 2, 5, 3, means X1, X2, what it is? See, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 0. So when you add this 2, 5 and 3, means we are having the values. See, in one vector we didn't had value for X in a X1 vector. Okay, in X2 column vector we didn't had value for Z, but when we added it, we are having different values of X, Y and Z. So it doesn't stay on the same plane. That's impossible. This is the plane which consists where one of the vector has a X component 0 and one of the vector has a Z component 0. So which is not equal. Okay, V1 plus V2 will have a vector that will be this one. Okay, 2, 5, 3 is this point, but this doesn't belong to this V3 plane. Okay, the second question is done. V3 is not subspace of V1 union V2. Okay, so next is third question is what is V3 intersection XY plane? Okay, what is V3 intersection xy plane? See, if you, for example, you can take a book, okay, you can take a book and the joint between a book is always aligned, right? So considering the two faces of the book, okay, the front and the back side, so one side will be it is one plane, the other side will be one more plane. So when you intersect two planes, it is always a straight line, right? So we are trying, so V3 is also a plane, right? It is not a line subspace, it's a plane subspace, right? V3 is also a plane subspace, intersection with xy plane. Okay. But V3 consists of both the vectors V1 and V2, correct? See, what I told you, V3 is a subspace generated by x1 and x2, means it is the plane which will consist of both x1 and x2, correct? So V3 consists of V1, V2, correct? This one. And what is xy plane here? XY plane means the z component is 0, correct? Z component is 0. So when you try to intersect, check whether out of V1 and V2 vectors which has the z component 0. So we will see here. So V2, x2 column vector has a z component 0 here, correct? So V1 comma V2 intersection z component 0 or xy plane is nothing but it's a straight line, and that will be a V2. It is again a line subspace, that is V2. Okay, got it? Hope you understood. Thank you.